take a look at how we can use the file upload question in Microsoft Forms. So I've logged into office.com and I've found the Forms app, and I'm going to click on New Quiz. I'm going to call this one Roman Soldier. I want them to draw and label a diagram of a Roman soldier and upload a snapshot of that work that they've done. I'm going to collect a little bit of data. I'd like to know their surname. This will help me with filtering later on. And I'd like to know the class. And then I'm going to add the file upload. So they're going to draw the diagram on paper, take a photograph and upload it here. I might give a little picture just to help them. I'm going to add a picture. So I've set my questions now. Because it's a file upload, they'll need to have an Office 365 account. I can set a file limit. I'm going to allow them larger files. And I'm going to make every question required, so they can't skip. They have to enter their surname. I will collect their email, but it will just help me if I've got a separate field with their surname and their class as well. So that's all ready to share. When I click share, I won't be able to share it with anyone because it requires an Office 365 account to do the upload. So it's people in my organisation or school. I copy that. I'm going to go to a pupil view now, and pupils are going to be sent the link and they're going to have a go at the quiz. They finished drawing their work. They then upload that file, which they've saved to their computer or their iPad, however they're taking the photograph. So they find their picture, they upload it, and they submit. So that's their work done. From the teacher's point of view, they'll see they get a response, and as the responses come in, the teacher will get notified. And to find the work, we can open in Excel. This will give the address of the various images that have been uploaded. So I've got a link to the image which I can copy, and it creates a SharePoint site which I can paste in. That's the individual one, and if I want to see the group as they develop, I can just copy the first part of the address, paste that in, and this will be the SharePoint site where all the images are uploaded. So as a teacher, I can just keep an eye on this particular site. I can see as all the different images get uploaded, I'll see them in this site here, which I can just make a favorite. So using file upload might be a good way of getting children to submit their work using photographic evidence.